You'll need to log into Google and open a new document. When you have your new document, you will come up to Tools, then you'll go down to the voice typing and click on it. You will get this microphone on the side. If you are going to be speaking in English, click the English button. If you will be speaking in Spanish, click the Español button. And then when you get ready to speak, you will click the microphone and it should type what you want it to say. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Me llamo Maria. Once you have it, you may have to do a little bit of fixing to get the spacing right. You can also say punctuation and it will put that in as well. Make sure that your microphone is plugged in. You may need a set of earbuds with a microphone attachment on your device.